All right, so we're going to take a look today at the Waterfront Park Pier that they have finally got repaired. It's going to be really windy out there, so if the wind noise is too much, I will overlay it with some light music while we're looking at the pier. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. Yep, as you can tell by the wind noise and the white caps of the water here on Wolf Bay, I'll go ahead and pop this down and put some music over, but there is the refurbished pier here at Waterfront Park. Artificial reef there for the fish, just under that end of the pier here. And we'll see, there's one on the other side also. Can't see this one. I will come back tonight and get you some footage of the fish lights that they have mounted underneath the end section here, and all the new lighting they've put in. And that's just a quick little look at the refurbished pier here at Waterfront Park. Again, I will be back here in just a few minutes for the video. I'll come back tonight and let you see the lights. Thank you for watching. Okay, and now to check out the new Waterfront Park Pier here at night with the new fish lighting and the artificial fish reefs. the under pier fish lighting. And there's an artificial fish reef under there on that side. And also over here on this side.